And we're back. Volume 2.
Volume 2, nigga, we lit.
Are you ready? You know what's today? It's your first step
In the underground.
in
I ain't gonna lie, bro. My eyes tired as fuck.
What?
Work got me drained.
Oh yeah.
Work
See,
got my ass.
they don't be expecting you to fucking still be a rock star after that shit. They expect you to be fucking a zombie after that bitch.
Bro, I'm
Let
dead.
me come this way for better light. Let me get the whole fit. This is a fit check. Alright, tell them what it is. Tell them what it is.
Cool socks, you already know the fuck going on.
Ooh.
Back with the forces. Curls
Okay.
once again. We got the motherfucking got down.
Turn that bitch around. Turn that bitch around.
It was scissors hands, you bitch.
Y'all niggas ain't watched that.
Niggas ain't watch that shit growing up, nigga, cause they ain't have white parents.
BB belt.
Supreme shirt.
Whoop. Yeah. We gonna get us some good food in you. You gonna be straight.
We finna get that Mexican.
You know what I'm saying?
That Mexican.
Nah, what is your go-to Mexican meal like?
Steak nachos.
Ooh. Ooh.
Steak
That's real
nachos.
fat boy hours right there.
You want some of this?
Yeah. I'm
Think,
thinking.
she gonna wanna hit the blunt?
Yeah. That's funny. She smoked before too.
She got
Yeah,
any gas?
that's a special guest today.
She got any gas on her?
Nah, I don't think she do. She might. I don't know.
Alright, I got like 3 blunts though.
Sheesh.
Yeah, nigga, this the life, nigga, when your motherfucking ain't got no motherfucking money to get no motherfucking tire, nigga, so guess what? You gotta goddamn bump that bitch.
I said, fuck a gas station, you know what I'm saying? Them shit's dangerous
Got
anyways.
that
You live in
bitch.
Atlanta, nigga.
Nigga, shout out to my mama, nigga. My mama got me that, you know, for safety measures and shit. She doesn't know that I'm using it because I think I have a leak in my tire, but I don't know.
We don't check for those.
I don't know. I mean, it only be flat like once every 2 weeks.
Shit.
So I think that's drivable.
Fuck it, it's drivable. So long that bitch don't pop, you know what I'm saying? We straight.
Good Stevie Wonder playing, bitch.
This nigga different.
Yeah, driving, nigga.
At the stop sign, turn left onto Hiram Lithia, Springs
I
Road
never turned
Southwest.
left down this road.
It's a trap.
Oh shit. We from the trap, you know what I'm saying? We be at the truck. You see this neighborhood, nigga? You see how we living, nigga?
In 2.1 miles,
Yeah,
turn
nigga,
left onto
fuck.
Old Lost Mountain Road.
It's the ghetto.
How you say that word? That nigga said, I don't want no guacamole, nigga.
I do not want to motherfucking guacamole.
Okay, so
I wish you had to use the
you wanted it half? I mean,
No, but it's so dark over here.
Let me go ahead and do the on the rocks or frozen?
So great.
Frozen?
Shit.
I feel like when people see me, they feel like I'm more important than them, like, cause I got a camera.
Oh yeah. Fuck him.
God, this nigga put my
Sauce
life.
Get a close up, get a close up. Get a close up.
That's food porn right there.
Why as hell, man? Free that nigga thug.
That nigga plate eat the OnlyFans. You said free thug? Free slap, man.
Oh my. Yeah, we gonna cut it right before that.
Goddamn cameraman treatment. Get my shit last. My shit look prettier than both y'all shit too. First event. First underground event. Mr. Wave. How we feeling?
I'm chilling, bro.
You about to not chill in a minute. You about to get lit in a minute. Yeah. Oh yeah. Yeah. It's the
Y'all seen it here first, bro.
nobody get down like you, man.
Ain't nobody doing that like me.
Tell them the title of this vlog and why you are like how you are right now.
The title of this vlog is I'm tired of shit. I don't even know what the title is.
That is the title.
Fed ass got me beat. Fed ass got a nigga dead.
Fuck FedEx.
Wait, what time? I think I've been up since 3 o'clock in the morning.
And we just got to the first function. That's love right there. That's love. Look at that. Ooh, hello. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh my god. Got Laura Chrome being waved for the first time. 2 legends. This is history in the making. I'm gonna let y'all know right now.
I'm trying to tell you, hide your own, bro.
These niggas.
3 a.m. in the morning.
Oh God.
But it's 51 brand. Go to that shit, right? This is a basic black tee. Like all the neck, but it's the hard jewelry, my nigga. It's the hard jewelry, bro. Ain't no diamonds, but it's nice. It's still blingy. You know what I'm saying? Like, you just gotta have jewelry for it. You know what I'm saying?
And we got security.
There's that security in this bitch.
Right. Look at the all black.
The drunk gang, y'all already know. Free honchos, man. Free black wallet the fast way. Y'all already know. Slime.
Y'all them niggas, man. You already know the fuck going on, man. Me? Yo, fuck no.
Look, you just suited up right now.
My shirt, my shoes, my pants, yo. I'm in Italy, DIDN, Paris, France, yo. This whole playing game, she a G-side, bitch, got games, yeah. Ain't no instruments, bitch. Let's play battle with a band, yeah. Let's play battle with a band. We got money coming in.